This video is going to talk through how to use the cheapest link algorithm. With the cheapest link algorithm, you're going to first create a list of all of the edges in order from lowest weight to highest, and then you're going to use that list to create a circuit, always using the highest edge on the list, except if that edge is going to include a vertex for the third time, or cause you to create a circuit before you're ready to, before you've gotten to all of the vertices. So we're going to start with this example. Please notice it's asking me to start and stop at R, but I'm going to ignore that until I'm ready to write my final answer. Instead, I'm going to start with the edge ST, which has a weight of 3. And I'm going to go ahead and circle that one because I'm going to use it. And then the next one up would be the 9, so that's RW for 9, and then we have SV for 11. After that we will have 15 RS. Next we will have 19 VU, and after 19 we'll have RV for 20. Then we will have SU for 23. Then we have VW or WV for 27. And then we have WT for 33. And VT for 35. Then we have WU for 41. RU for 49, RT 52, WS for 63, UT for 70. So we have the list of all of our edges from lowest to highest, and I'm going to start again at the top of the list. And so I definitely want to use the ST, and the next one down is going to be SV. So we have ST and then VS. And so I have used ST and I've used SV. Notice that I cannot use RS because I've used S up. It's now in the middle of my list. However, VU I can use. So I will use UV, but that means I can't use RV. And I cannot use SU. So VW, can't use that one. WT, I can use that one. So I'm going to put the WT or TW here. I'm going to use that one. And then I'm going to go back and use R. So now notice that I have all 6 vertices, so I can go back to the beginning. And I can just put my U on the end, which means I'm going to use edge RU. So VT and WU will not be used. I have my circuit. In order to start and stop at R, I just need to rewrite it. I can rewrite it as RU VSTWR. And then for the weight, I just need to add those up. And we have a weight of 75. So that's our first example of cheapest link. Let's do one more. Here I have example 2, and we are looking at, again, to try to find the cheapest link. We're going to start and stop at A when we're done. So again, I'm going to ignore those instructions about starting and stopping at A until I'm actually ready to write out my final answer. I will start with GH, which is 2, and FH, which is 3. Then we have 5 EG, and from 5 the next one up is 9 for FA. Then we'll have 11 for FD. After 11, the next one will be 13 for DB, and then 15 for FG, 16 for EA, 18 for GA, EH is 20, then EB is 21, DA is 22. After 22, the next one will be 25, GC, and 26, ED. After 26, we will have 30, EC, 32, EF, 33, EB, 35, GB, 40, DG, 42, CD, 45 is FC, 46, HC, 48, CA, 50, CB, 53, HB, 56, AB, 60, HA. And I do believe we have all of them listed. Now for longer problems like this, you can get a start on your list and then go on and start your circuit and go back to the list as you need to. But for purposes of demonstration, I thought I'd go ahead and give you the entire list. So we're going to start with the lowest values, GH and HF. So that'll be 2 plus 3. And then EG, I can add that on here. So that's adding another 5. FA will work. So that's 9. But now F is used up, so I can't use that one. I want to use DB, but I'll have to go back to it because I can't link it up yet. FG, EA I can't use because it would create a circuit, so we have to cross that one out. GA won't work. EH won't work. EB, that one I can use, and that's 21. And notice DB I can now add on. That was 13. I've got 7 vertices, 8, I need one more. So I have not linked in C. That's the one I still need to work on. So I used EB. DA won't work because I'm not ready to finish. GC I can't because I've used G up. ED, EC, EF, EB, GB, DG, CD. There we go. We can put the C on here. That's 42. And then, of course, I'll need to finish with the C as well. So CA is 48. So there's my circuit. I've created it using cheapest link now. And I just need to rewrite it starting and stopping at A. So it will be A, C, D, B, E, G, H, F, A, with a weight of 143. So there you have it. That's the cheapest link, and I will see you in class.